Hey guys, so if you're wondering how to set up the CarPlay on your Toyota Corolla, so basically just connect this car to your phone so that you can use the navigation, play music, calls, and all of that good stuff. Basically, you just need to go to the settings tab. Here, click on the Bluetooth and devices. You'll find the list of already connected devices to this car, but if you want to add your new phone, just click add another device. And right now I'm not going to be able to show what's happening on my phone because, well, I'm recording on it. But on your phone you need to go to the Bluetooth. So if that's an iPhone, it's going to be in the settings, Bluetooth. Make sure that it's turned on, then search through available Bluetooth devices, and right in the bottom you will see car multimedia from the list. Select it. Then here on the screen in the car you will get, I think it was a 6-digit code that you need to enter on your phone. There's going to be a prompt for that, and then just connect, and easy as that. Device is connected. So after that, if you want to select it, just choose here on the car from the list.